Okay guys, so we're back with the Sn95 Trans. Lately on my videos, I've got a lot of comments about what I wear to work on my cars and what I be doing working on my cars. So regarding that, this is a video to address all the hate comments, negativity that's been going on, cause anyways, we're not worried about that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna spruce our trans pieces up a little bit, get them right, get them nice and shiny, do a little paint, and yeah, let's get into it. I don't understand is all the hate for me doing what I'm doing. I don't touch nobody else's cars as a female mechanic. I do everything on my own cars, my own work. I dress in what I'm comfortable in, being that it's 90 degrees and humid outside. I'm not in a garage with air conditioner. So I don't see what the problem is. And then a lot of other comments are like, you dress this way for attention, you doing this and that for this and that. And honestly, y'all, I've dressed like this as long as I can remember, to be real with you. Like, you know, it ain't, and like, it's never been that deep to me. Like, if it's hot outside, who wants to be hot and sweaty? Y'all want me out here in a full coverall and steel toe boots and this and that? This tape not even sticky. And I just feel like if I'm out here in a full coverall, steel toe boots, this and that, I'm gonna get heat stroke. I'm gonna fall out in this heat. Like, it's hot and humid. I also feel like by now, I don't know, I can call myself a female mechanic respectively because I have enough videos on my page that show the work I do, what I can do, this and that, yada yada. I don't really got nothing else to prove to you at this point. But this is the paint I'm using. I know y'all are gonna be like, that's not the right paint, you're not doing it right. But you know, like the rest of my videos, I do what works for me and what's in my budget. If you watch my videos, you know I pull an engine, it seems like once a month, realistically. So we know that this, what's going on right now, is not gonna be permanent. It's just for right now. And you know, like I always say, like we doing budget builds. Not everybody can just get 1,000 horsepower right away, nor does everybody want to. But yeah, I just do what works for me. And you know, it might help out somebody else who wants to get into the car world and do stuff with their cars, but they don't got a whole huge bag to spend on doing this and that for the car. So, you know, I got you. Y'all, it actually looks really good. I didn't think it was gonna look this good, but it's coming out really good. And I might try my luck and paint one of my cars because Max Speed and Rod did send me an electric paint sprayer. I've been holding off because I'm nervous about painting the cars, but we might experiment with it. Y'all see? It look good. It's coming out good. It's that marketplace special. Y'all be on Facebook Marketplace thinking you getting brand new parts. No, they just be painted. Somebody just done repainted them parts for y'all, so they look nice and shiny just like this. that dry before I do a second coat. We're gonna get our trans painted. We're gonna do that one black. Rattle can special for you. You go back in with our second coat. Y'all, it's so hot though. Like I'm just out here sweating. Word, y'all be like, put some coveralls on and some boots. Ooh, y'all lucky I don't be out here in a swimsuit, for real. But you know, that's the thing that I've never understood, like how somebody dresses, like y'all feel like changes anything that they have going on. Like it's sort of like tattoos. Like people with tattoos, they're looked at like they're not smart, they're not gonna be successful, they ain't got no money, this and that. But like whole time, like them people's tattoos be costing bread, serious money. Okay, y'all. So I got paint on my face. Oh. Okay, y'all. I don't know. I think they look better to me. They gonna look better going back in the car. So on that note, I'm satisfied. I can't complain too much. But little up close view for y'all. And I did clean them beforehand. I scrubbed them down with the little brush and stuff. So yeah, super simple.